Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be using the Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice collection by Too Faced. It comes with a full-size palette, and this palette is really pretty, really fall vibes, but you can also use this as an everyday palette because it has a lot of neutral shades. It also comes with a lip gloss. This is their Pumpkin Spice lip gloss in the shade Pumpkin Spice. It is a really pretty lip gloss. It also comes with a brush, and I actually like this brush. I've been using it a lot lately. It is really good to really get some color into your crease. I'm also going to be using their Under the Tree collection. This also came out for the holidays, and I love the packaging of this collection because it's a tree, but I know it's okay. The palettes were fine. So it comes with the three palettes. The first palette is in face palette. It comes with the bronzer, highlighter, and a blush. And then the next two ones are eyeshadow palettes. And I love the shades in these palettes. They are just so pretty. You can do a neutral look, or you can also do like a smoky eye, which is what I like this collection. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this palette right here. And I'm going to be dipping into the shade at the very top. And this is going to be my transition shade. So I'm going to put this on the crease and all over my lid. And after that, I'm going to be grabbing a darker shade from the same palette. And I'm going to be applying this to my crease to start adding some color. And then after that, I'm going to be jumping into the other palette, the Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here called Pretty as a Pumpkin, and I'm just going to start adding more color into my crease. And this some of the shades in this palette aren't pigmented. You really have to work with them, but this shade specifically was really good and I didn't have troubles with it. Then after that, I'm going to be jumping into this darker one called Spice Coffee, and I'm going to be applying this to my crease to really start defining it. And then I'm going to be jumping into the other palette from the Under the Tree collection. I'm going to be grabbing this purple shade right here, and I'm just going to be applying that in the crease with a smaller brush just to really define it a little bit more and make it a little bit more darker. And then I did decide to cut only 2/3 of the crease just because I do want to smoke out the end of the lid. So that's why I only did 2/3 of the lid. And then after that, I'm going to be going into the same palette as before, and I'm going to be grabbing this green shimmery shade right here, and I'm going to be applying this on the first half of the lid where I cut it, and I'm just going to be packing that on. And then after that, I'm going to jump into the Pumpkin Spice palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this gold shade called Golden Pumpkin, and I'm going to be packing that on the rest of the lid where I cut it. And then after that, I'm going to be grabbing the same shades that I put in my crease, and I'm going to start defining that crease again just because it did fade away when I was applying the shimmery shades. And I'm also going to be smoking out the outer V of my eye, and you're just going to repeat this step until it gets as defined or as dark as you would like it. Then after that, I'm going to be winging out my eyeliner, and I'm going to be using my NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. And then after that, I'm going to be using my Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal to coat my top lashes for eyelashes. And I'm going to be applying two sets of lashes, Ritzy and Shy, both by Kiss. And I just put those on top of each other. And then for primer, I'm going to be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl True Blend foundation. That was a lot. And then I'm going to be using my Y6 by Morphe to blend that out. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And I'm going to put that in the spots where I really want to brighten up. Then after that, I am going to be setting my face, and I'm going to be using Flower Beauty's translucent powder. It was the first time I used it, and I actually did like it. It was a little bit messy though, but it is really thin, which I really like because it was really easy to apply and it didn't leave my skin cakey, which I thought it was going to do, but it didn't. But it is a really good powder. I do recommend it. It's affordable. As you can see, it's really messy. And I couldn't breathe for a while. But and then I'm going to be using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to really set that down so I won't look so powdery. And then I'm going to be moving on to my lower lash. I'm going to be mixing those same purple shades. And I'm going to be smoking on my bottom lash. And then after that, I'm going to be applying my Ulta Beauty Gel Eyeliner and Blackouts in my waterline. Now I'm going to be grabbing the face palette, and I'm going to be getting the bronzer, and I'm going to be just contouring my face. And I did like this bronzer. It was really easy to apply, really easy to blend out and to work with, and it wasn't too dark for me, so I really like that. And then for blush, I'm going to be using my blush by Flower Beauty. I forgot the name of this blush and I can't find it, but it is a really pretty peachy pinky blush and it has a little tint of shimmer, which I don't mind. And then after that, I am going to be getting the highlighter from the same palette, and I'm going to be applying this to my inner corner and my brow bone. Such a really pretty highlighter, but I didn't want to use it on my face because I wanted to use another highlighter. And for the highlighter on my face, I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. I also forgot the shade name, but it is this really pretty gold one. And it was my first time using it, and girl, I was shook. It is so pretty, so blending. Oh my god, I love it. Then after that, I'm going to be grabbing my Paradise mascara by L'Oreal. Again, I'm going to be coating my bottom lashes, and I'm also going to be using it to coat my top lashes one more time to really blend those in with the fake lashes. And I ended up really liking this mascara. At first I didn't like it, but after a while I did end up liking it, and it is a really good affordable mascara. I do recommend it to you guys. Now I'm going to be lining my lips with my NYX retractable liner, and then I'm going to be grabbing my BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be applying that to my lips. I really wanted to wear a red lip, so don't judge me if it doesn't go together, but I really wanted to wear a red lip. So this is the final look right here, guys. I like how it came out. Hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see on my channel. I promise I am going to get back to filming more often now. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.